Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Greetings and salam UiTM di hatiku. Hi, my name is RAZIN, and today I will be presenting about issue or challenges of insurance deposit that are currently affecting our Islamic financial system. So, before I continue any further, what is insurance deposit? Let me tell you guys. Insurance deposit, or what we all may know as a deposit premium, is a sum of money that the insured pay to the insurer, takaful, or insurance company. Doesn't matter which one you like to address it. When the time policy is issued for the first time, this thing work as an upfront money payment toward the insurance to cover their expenses. To the takaful. Its correlation with Islamic financial system is that the insurance deposit refer to the Sharia compliant mechanism that safeguard insured funds if an Islamic banks bankrupts or fail. Compared to the conventional system, they are based with prohibited items such like riba. Islamic deposit insurance must comply with the Sharia principle like risk sharing, prohibition of uncertainty that we know as a gharar, and fairness toward other people. Did you guys know, in our country, Malaysia, we got an insurance deposit scheme that is Malaysian Deposit Insurance Corporation. What is it? We know it as a PIDM. It is an independent statutory body that is established under a Malaysia Deposit Insurance Corporation Act 2011. And the main objective of Islamic deposit insurance is to protect depositors and maintain confidence in the banking system, especially during a financial difficulties. Did you know that a PIDM also provide a deposit protection amount up to RM250,000? And most importantly, it plays an important role to promote a financial stability within a Malaysia Islamic banking sector. Hi. So, right now I'm gonna tell you about one of the major issues of the Islamic insurance deposit that they have faced. Based on my finding and research, one of the major issues of Islamic insurance deposit is the challenge of keeping the mudharabah principle. By guaranteeing deposit repayment during bank failure, it indirectly provides a capital protection. To those who doesn't know, in practice of mudharabah deposit are supposed to involve risk sharing, while depositors may view them as a free risk due to the deposit protection. I believe by doing this, it weakens the true concept of mudharabah and making people confuse the distinction and the difference between the Islamic and the conventional deposits. To meet the depositor expectation, Islamic banks may focus more on the capital certain and stable return products. This limits a product innovation and also reduce the practice use of a profit sharing and loss. Over time, Islamic banking risks become a similar in substance to conventional banking, despite remaining in Sharia compliant form. The conflicts between the issued deposit and the shared risk that I've said before have given a few impact on our Islamic financial system. Some of it is it affects the credibility of Islamic banks by drifting it from its own core value. To address this concern, I believe a strong regulatory and Sharia framework is essential. Malaysia has a firm regulatory and a Sharia governance framework. To those of you who doesn't know, in Malaysia, Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM) and Sharia Advisory Council (SAC) is the only provider of the regulatory and the Sharia oversight. Continuous Sharia oversight is important to ensure that the Islamic deposit insurance remains consistent with the Islamic principles while meeting its stability objective. By doing this, it may improve the public education and help manage expectation while still reinforcing the role of risk sharing in Islamic finance. So, for the conclusion, we can conclude that to address this challenge, a strong regulation of Sharia governance are essential. At the same time, depositors also need to improve their understanding on how the Islamic banking works, including the role of risk sharing. If this balance is managed carefully, I believe that Islamic finance can continue to grow in a stable way while still staying true to its ethical and moral foundation. So, that's all from me. Thank you for your time.